Why having a big following and trying to go viral all the time is killing your business. And this is coming from someone who was getting 10 million views a month on their TikTok account. So in this video, I want to go through exactly why you should stop trying to go viral all the time and what you should do instead. So let me guess, you got into your personal brand journey and heard from everyone, oh, this is how to go viral, this is how to get more views, this is how to do that, this is how to do this. So you decided to go viral 24/7, or decided to try and go viral 24/7, okay? And this has led you to get a few clients, okay? That you've got a load of attention, got a few clients, but the people who join are, let's just say, not qualified. And what I mean by this is they're terrible clients, okay? This is a big lesson I had to learn, and I want to teach you today about it, okay? So it's a huge lesson I had to learn, because what I was focused on is viral, and you should not be focused on that, especially if you want to grow your coaching business to new heights. And just some proof that I was actually getting this amount of views, this was on TikTok. As you can see, it's quite a different format because this was back in 2020. Since then, I've been able to get 2 of my clients to 100k followers each, and also I've been able to make money with my offer with a smaller following. So I have 800 subscribers on here and 900 followers on Instagram, okay? So yeah, anyway, I was getting 10 million views a month, as you can see. 7 days, 3.2 million, so that actually adds up to 12 million. But yeah, I was getting 10 million views a month, and this was great, right? Well, it actually wasn't, because I didn't make any money from it at all, really. I made £200 from one video, and also I wasn't getting much attention onto my offer because it was random people. So this taught me a huge lesson. Views plus followers do not equate to cash. And ever since I've stopped trying to go viral and just focused on speaking to my ideal client's soul, things have got so much better, okay? It allows me to never struggle with content ideas. So because you're focused on going viral all the time, you're trying to think of the next viral idea, you're doing your research and everything like that, but instead what you should be focusing on is how to help your ideal client get a small win. And this allows you to come up with so many more ideas because you're an expert in what you sell. Okay, if you're selling coaching, you probably are some sort of an expert. And what I mean by expert is I mean you know stuff. You know things that most people do not know about it, okay? And that's what an expert kind of is, okay? So this allows you to come up with content ideas because you know your shit, okay? And you know how to get your ideal client from point A to point B. So so instead of focusing on going viral, you're focused on speaking directly to your ideal client, okay? And it allowed me to get more qualified calls on my calendar. So when you go viral, you're going to random people, and yes, you may be getting a ton of book calls, but most of them are unqualified, okay? They're just random people who decided to book in a call for fun and aren't even qualified to buy from you, can't afford what you sell, etc. Okay, so going viral will actually kill your business. You'll start to get randoms on your page. Remember, randoms do not get you paid. The right and ideal clients do get you paid. So that's what we need to do. We need to get ideal clients onto our page on a daily basis. So how do you actually do this? Because I know it's all right saying, oh, just get ideal clients onto your page, but how do you do this within your content? How do you speak directly to your ideal client? But first I want to go through, just again, instead of thinking of the next viral idea, think of how you can help your ideal clients get small wins. Because when you help your ideal client get small wins, it builds up trust. So you're giving free value, helping your ideal client get from point A to point B. They implement the things that you're saying, they get a small win, then they're like, okay, damn, this guy knows what he's speaking about. When I do want to invest into a mentor, into a coach, I'm going to buy from him or her, okay? Because you've helped them get small wins. You've helped them get from where they're at right now to a small win, and now they want to move on to the next step, which is when they invest into your coaching, okay? So helping your ideal clients get small wins is super important, and you can't do that by just going viral, like speaking about random things that have nothing to do with what you sell. And I see a lot of coaches who speak about coaching people how to create content, or agencies saying, oh mate, you go viral. But guys, what would you prefer, to go viral or to get paid? Grow your business. Okay, of course you're going to want to grow your business, and you can build your brand in the meanwhile, but it doesn't mean you have to go viral all the time to build your brand. Okay, build your brand full of ideal clients instead of just randoms. Status does not matter, guys. Okay, you want to get paid, you want to get more clients, and speaking directly to your ideal client is going to get you paid instead of going viral all the time. Going viral goes to randoms. I'm telling you right now, I was getting 10 million views a month. Okay, I know what I'm speaking about. Going viral goes to randoms. Okay, and sometimes, yes, if you go viral, it's a bonus. Okay, but focus on just giving value and helping your ideal clients get small wins, because it also allows you to come up with more content ideas. It allows you to build a huge connection with your ideal client, and it also allows you to get more appointments. So what's better than doing that? Speaking directly to your ideal client. Speaking directly to your ideal client does so much for you and your business. Okay, so how do you actually speak to your ideal client? So what you really need to realize is, who are your ideal clients? Okay, so what are their pains? What are they really struggling with at the moment? And why are they experiencing those things? What are they doing right now that's making them experience that pain? Okay, and what do they want? Tangible and intangible. So what do they want? Do they want a new car? And do they want girls to look at them when they go past in that car? Do they want that feeling? Okay, so what do they want? Tangible and intangible. And why do they truly want those things? Okay, you really need to dig deep. So if they want more money, why do they want more money? Do they want to provide for their family? Do they want to provide for someone who's sick within their family? Do they want to have location freedom and time freedom so they can actually see their family more? Okay, get really deep on why they truly want those things, and then you can speak directly to them within your content. And the biggest thing that most people don't speak about is relating to those things. Okay, so you are your ideal client when you first started, because you, as a coach, you've overcome a pain and you're selling a solution to that pain. So you've gone through all the trials and tribulations that they are going through right now. So you can relate to them in your content. You can say, look, I've been through them. I've overcame it with this process that I'm speaking about. Okay, so this will build up so much more trust, and they will be more likely to listen to you. Okay, that's what you truly need to realize. If you've been through something that they're going through right now, and you say that, and if you let them know that, okay, I was struggling with this thing, but then when I implemented this, it went from here to here. Okay, it will make them listen to you, because if you have been through what they're going through currently and overcame it, of course they will listen. Gets them emotionally invested. They're like, damn, he went through that shit and I'm going through that right now and he overcame it. Of course I can do it, but how can I do it? Then you speak about your process. Okay, and they're like, oh damn, that's how I can do it. If it works for him, it must work for me. Okay, and this will also give you an opportunity to position the process you sell as the best, because it helped you overcome the pain. And this will make them jump at the opportunity to buy, because they want to solve their pain, and you have solved it with the process you have spoke about. This is just like the icing on top. They will jump at the opportunity to work with you if you relate to their pains and make them realize that you've been through it, so you can actually teach them how to overcome it. Okay, I'm not saying all the time speak about yourself saying, oh, this is what I went through. I'm saying relate to them. So within your content, you can say stuff like, if you're struggling with so-and-so, this is how to overcome it. And I'm not just saying this, I've actually been through it. I was going through so-and-so, then I implemented this process that I'm about to speak about, and it got me to so-and-so. So this is the process you need to implement. And then say the process, okay, reveal it, give insights into it. This is going to build up so much more trust. And you can see that I did it at the start, because I said I was getting 10 million views a month. I didn't make any money. That's what you're probably going through right now. Okay, you're probably getting a load of views. You may be getting a load of views. You may be sending cold messages to try and get clients, and it's just not working. You want a system that's going to get you clients, and that's exactly what I'm teaching you within this video. So I'm relating to your pains, because I have been through that. You may be making some money, like I was, but it wasn't enough, and you wanted more, and you were going viral all the time, getting appointments and everything like that, but they weren't qualified. Okay, so you want more qualified book calls, and you want more clients, and you want to build a personal brand, but you want to do it the right way, and this is what I'm teaching you within this video. So you need to relate to your ideal client's pains, and they will jump at the opportunity to work with you. So yeah, 100% suggest relating to your ideal client, because it's gonna make them realize that you know what you're speaking about, and people only buy from people that they actually trust and actually know that they know their shit. Okay, so to get your messaging dialed in as well, and speaking directly to your ideal client, you need to include these 3 main core stories within your content. So first is the process story, and this is positioning your process as the new way to hit their goals. So you need to make sure they think that your process is a thing that they've never implemented before, so they actually invest. Because people don't want to buy if they feel like they've already done that thing and it hasn't worked. So you need to position your process as the new way for them to reach their goals. And you can do this by utilizing your unique mechanism. So my unique mechanism is to magnify your content funnel. It's the unique process I take my clients through to get amazing results, to build one-of-one personal brands, and to actually get clients through their personal brand. Okay, so position your process as the new way for them to reach their goals, and make sure they realize it's not going to take much effort to actually implement, and they can do it as soon as possible. Okay, the next story you need to speak about within your content and create content around is the mind story. And you need to, and this story is basically helping them overcome the I can't do it. And what you need to realize is most people do not buy from you because they doubt your product. They don't buy because they doubt themselves. Okay, they doubt they can implement the things that you're teaching. Okay, so you need to help them overcome the I can't do it. And you can do this by speaking about maybe a client case study who thought the same thing and then overcame it within your content, or speaking about like what you went through and you're like, oh, I thought this, and then when I actually did it. Can help them overcome the I can't do it within their mind. Okay, and the next story is the excuses story. Now, most people have excuses, okay? They think, oh, I don't have the time, I don't have the money, I don't have the resources to do that. But all of that is in fact cap. And there's something else that's holding them back, okay? So you need to help them overcome the excuses. So for example, let's just do an example. If you sell helping people get in shape, okay, people are probably going to be like, I don't have the time to work out, which they do, but you can say you only need 3 days a week. Okay, you only need 1 hour, 3 days a week to get in the best shape of your life. How's that sound? So you can speak about that within your content, and then that will help them overcome the I don't have time excuse. And then for the money example, let's just say you help people make their first dollar online. They're probably thinking, oh, I have to invest a load of money to be able to make my first dollar online because of the business model. But you can speak about how the only investment is into themselves and them buying your program or your coaching, and the business model is completely free. It takes zero capital to start up. So you can speak about that, and that helps them overcome the I don't have money excuse. And the resources is just other things that will occur for your ideal client that will stop them from going ahead to help them overcome those things. Okay, so helping your ideal clients get small wins is way more important than trying to go viral all the time. Going viral is actually stopping you from reaching your ideal clients and getting more clients. I'm telling you right now, guys, stop trying to go viral. Please stop trying to go viral. If you go viral, amazing. But if you don't see it as a bad thing. See it as a way that you're actually reaching your ideal client. You're reaching fewer people, but most of them are probably going to be your ideal client. Okay, so, and I guarantee that if you stop trying to go viral all the time, it will allow you to get more appointments on your calendar, build up more trust with your prospects, be able to come up with more content ideas because you are not just focused on going viral, and be more raw and authentic. So hope you got some value from this video, guys. If you're an online coach and you already have a solid offer, so you have an offer that's proven to work, you have a few testimonials, and you just want to attract more clients rather than chase them all the time, do you want to scale your coaching offer to new heights? Book in a call with the second link in the description and we can speak in more detail. Or if you want some more information about what we do, check out the first link and it will go through that. But yeah, hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.